welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing the scenario-based interview question for AWS Solution Architect. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Let's understand the scenario first. You are tasked with designing the architecture for a highly available, scalable, and secure e-commerce application that is currently running on a traditional on-premises data center. The application consists of a web front end, a back-end API, and a database. The company has decided to migrate to AWS to take advantage of cloud benefits. Now, focus on the requirement. Our requirement here is high availability. The application must be available 99% of the time. Scalability. The architecture should be able to handle varying loads and scale automatically. Security. Implement robust security measures to protect customer data. Cost optimization. Optimize the architecture for cost efficiency without compromising performance. As a AWS solution architect, how should you approach this? Here are the below components you should select. First, start with web front end. Use Amazon S3 to store static assets and serve them via Amazon CloudFront for content delivery and DDoS protection. Deploy the web front end on Amazon EC2 instances across multiple availability zones (AZs) for high availability. Implement auto-scaling groups to automatically adjust the number of instances based on traffic. Use an application load balancer (ALB) to distribute incoming traffic across instances. Then back-end API. Containerize the back-end API using AWS Fargate or Amazon ECS for easy deployment and scaling. Use Amazon RDS for the database layer configured with multi-AZ for automatic failover. Implement read replicas to distribute read traffic and enhance performance. Secure API communication with clients using Amazon API Gateway with throttling and caching. Then database. Choose Amazon Aurora as the database engineer for its high performance, availability, and compatibility with MySQL or PostgreSQL. Enable encryption at rest and in transit for enhanced security. Implement automated backups and set up a retention policy. Leverage Aurora Global Databases for cross-region replication for disaster recovery. Then security. Use AWS Identity and Access Management (IAM) to manage permissions and access control. Enable AWS Key Management Service (KMS) for encryption of sensitive data. Implement AWS WAF and AWS Shield for protection against web application attacks and DDoS attacks. Regularly audit and rotate access keys and secrets. Monitoring and optimization. Set up Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring application and infrastructure metrics. Implement AWS trusted advisor to identify cost savings opportunities. Utilize AWS Cost Explorer to analyze and optimize costs. Use AWS Lambda and Amazon CloudWatch events for automated scaling and resource management. This architecture ensures high availability, scalability, security, and cost optimization for the e-commerce application on AWS. Adjustments can be made based on specific application requirements and traffic patterns. Do you have any better solution in your mind? Please write that in the comments section. We can discuss it further. If you want to go for any AWS certification, you can find the current and valid and updated questions tutorials in the description. All the best.